polishing compound out, and then start working it into the light. Keep on doing this all over. Don't miss no spots. Take a clean cloth and just rub out the compound that you just applied. And look, already it's looking better. And wait, I'm going to show you the secret to make it shine and prevent any further oxidation. Is get yourself some paper towels or terry cloth, fold it up like this. Just wipe it in. And watch this. See the difference? Brand new. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, comment, like, or dislike. I don't care. Just comment. Thanks for watching. More to come.